Hello, David Potts is my name. I'm one of the partners at Kells. There's two things I do. The first thing is that I do claims for people who have had injuries, and the second thing I do is I look after people who have issues in concern employment law. Do a number of things. I run, but run very slowly. Interested in politics, interested in wine. Love sport, particularly like cricket and rugby league, the sports that I like. I've got a family, 2 kids who are now both young adults, and I love travel as well. Like most lawyers, I wanted to make a difference. I believed in a just society and I thought that I could make a contribution towards trying to achieve it. You'll find that a lot of lawyers went into law for that particular reason. That was one of the reasons I went into it. People I see tend to be people who have had some misfortune happen in their life. Normally they've been injured. And the problems in many people's lives about that is that they viewed themselves as heading in a particular direction and then they've had an injury and then their life's been turned upside down. And one of the great problems for them is the uncertainty that produces. One of the things that we try to do is we try and remove that uncertainty and we try to get them looking towards the future and trying to build their life again. They have a feeling of powerlessness. One of the things that we aim to do and achieve is by providing people with information and options, they regain control of their lives. So that's what we look towards doing. The first and probably the most important thing is to take time to try to understand them. Everyone's different and you need to spend time to work out what people are asking for because sometimes they're asking for completely different things. The completion of a job is always very satisfying. Sometimes jobs are compromises and a case is a compromise, but sometimes you can achieve an absolutely sensational life and you can see people who we've acted for many, many years before and you stay in touch with them and they've managed to regain control of their lives and their lives back on track. That's where we get a lot of satisfaction, is it's seeing people get back on their feet.